Polk Therapy, a private practice solely owned and operated by Rick Todd, PT, is located on-site, next door to Central Florida Orthopedic Surgical Associates. Polk Therapy offers occupational and physical therapy services to post-operative as well as non-post-operative patients. Rehabilitation is an important part of recovery that helps restore proper functional movement by helping decrease pain, facilitate healing, and preventing stiffness, weakness, or any limitations to full restoration. Our occupational therapy division is specific to upper extremity rehabilitation with a focus on post-operative and post-injuries to the upper extremity and hand. Hand therapy is provided by occupational therapists, otherwise known as OTs, and most notably a certified hand therapist. Our physical therapy and PT division evaluates and treats a wide variety of pre-operative, post-operative, and other injuries that include but are not limited to lower extremity, shoulder, back, neck, balance, and gait. PT is provided by advanced degree licensed therapists with over 25 years of experience. We recognize that every need and every goal is exclusive. Whether it's through physical or occupational therapy, our comprehensive outpatient rehabilitation program is tailored to meet and remedy each unique case. We are committed to expertly treating and healing each individual with knowledge, care, and empathy.